How to share TikTok video to Facebook story. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, let's find a video that we can share. Say for example, this one right here. Now let's click on the arrow at the bottom right. Then here, as you can see, you have a lot of options, different options. So let's click on Facebook. Now, as you can see, Facebook right here will share this video as a post. So this is the first step. Let's go ahead and do that. And once the video has been shared to Facebook, let's go ahead and open up Facebook and navigate to that video. As you can see, it's right here. Now from here, the second step is to click on the share icon at the bottom right. And from these options right here, click on share to your story. And as you can see, the TikTok video will be shared to your story. You can edit your story as you like. You can add caption, you can add text, music, filters, whatever, just like the usual stuff. And once you're done, click on share to share that story. And if you go back, you will see that your story has been shared right here with the TikTok video on it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share a TikTok video on Facebook story. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.